We're finishing these gable ends on the exterior of the house, and we're thinking that we might want something with a little bit of character. So we're going to play around with some different ideas, some things I've done before, starburst or just sort of a ray of light type of looking thing that you can put detail to a small gable, like the one that Anthony is working on right now. He's just caulking up the gaps and the seams and stuff. When doing custom features, whether it's the interior of the house, the exterior of the house, you're in the kitchen, the bathroom, or whatever, it's nice to sometimes take advantage of things that you can find on hand, scrap materials, that'll save you a lot of money in the end. If you're just a little bit creative and you put your mind to it, you can come up with some pretty neat and inexpensive ideas that look professional and look like you paid a lot of money for them. Here I'm just going to make some kind of a detail for the gable out of just an exterior grade plywood. It should hold up because we've already got plywood up there, exterior plywood, and it is on the south side of the house, which takes the beating from the sun and the rain. Usually the rain around here is always coming from the south. What I'm looking to do is I think I'm going to create a sun, and again, this is pretty much for free. So it's just some scrap material, and I happen to have a couple minutes to play around with it, and I thought maybe it'd be fun to do something like this. So what I like to do is just find something to make, say, like a half a sun detail. So usually, if you can find something round, that might be a little too big. You can use anything. That's a paint can. Here's a little old pail that I thought I might use. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace on there, and I've got my half round for the sun. I'm going to put a little bit of caulk behind this just to make a nice seam. And with the piece centered, go ahead and set it up there. You can set it up there without stapling it, and it'll stay. Now I've cut these out. Using a saber saw. And as you can see, they're just simple little pieces of exterior grade plywood that I'm just going to apply. Like so. Okay, we're done installing the little sunburst, and to attach it to the exterior siding, I just used some caulk. I was able to actually move them once I set them up there, so I could kind of get it exactly where I wanted them, even after I'd installed it. So then I went ahead and used a brad nailer, interior finish brad nailer, to tack them to the siding. So they're caulked and they're nailed, and we'll probably take and put a little bead around the edge to finish them off. And later today we'll be painting them with a good quality exterior paint, and that's all there is to it.